Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import data to Odoo only way. Start by exporting a small sample and comparing headers to Odoo fields, then clean and normalize values. Validate dates, numerics, and Boolean flags, and ensure related records use external ID. Run a test import on a staging copy, review errors, correct them, and re-import the full file during low-traffic hours for minimal disruption. Start by opening your CSV and matching each column header to the corresponding Odoo field name, then remove unused columns and blank rows. Convert date formats and numeric separators to what Odoo expects, and ensure ID or external ID are correct for relations. Save the file as UTF-8 CSV, create a trimmed test file of 50 to 100 rows, and keep a copy of the original export for reference if anything goes wrong. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long import marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals, and treat your feet while you handle data. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Open Odoo's import tool, choose your model, and upload the CSV file, then map columns to fields and use external ID for relations. Start with a small test import and carefully read any error messages to pinpoint wrong headers or invalid values. Fix issues in the CSV or adjust mappings, re-upload, and when the test succeeds, run the full import during off hours and monitor logs to ensure all records created or updated as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.